What's up, guys? Welcome back to San Joaquin News Network. I'm going to show you an older cop watch that I did on the main channel, San Joaquin Valley Transparency. I only cut some pieces out that I thought were amazing, and I'm going to show it to you guys here. I will put the full video in the description if you guys want to check that out, but check this out, man. I think you guys are going to like it. Merry Christmas, y'all.
The following production has not been rated by the Corrupt Motion Picture Association. The material in this film shows unlawful, aggressive, and unprovoked government behavior which may be difficult for some viewers, but is approved for all audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey, could y'all just give me a little bit more distance, please? In fact, I'd rather y'all go this way so y'all not near this vehicle.
No thanks, man. Just do your job.
No, I need some distance. Okay, I give you some distance. And that's all I'm asking.
I'm on a public sidewalk, man. Just do your job.
I need some distance.
You're afraid the camera's going to hurt you or what?
No, I'm afraid one of you.
You're afraid.
I'm afraid.
You're a big ass chicken or what?
I'm just afraid one of you might hurt me.
Why? Why are you such afraid to do your job?
I'm not afraid to do my
You got a
job.
gun, I got a camera. Just do your job.
I don't know what you guys got.
Obviously,
You guys got any weapons? I don't know.
you're afraid. You gladly admit that you're just afraid.
Yeah.
Officer safety is cowardice.
We're just recording.
Public safety is heroism. Why don't you just do your job?
Sure.
We're not gonna hurt you. We got cameras.
I'm trying. But I don't know if you guys
You ain't
got
trying to
guns.
do your job, man. You're trying to pout about. You don't
know
like
you
the
guys
cameras
got
right
guns.
here, and that's what you just don't want to be
Or
recorded.
We don't got guns or weapons there. Why would we hurt you? We're
Everybody's got a weapon or what? You're the one with the weapon here.
I know.
I know.
This is just me trying to have some safety here.
That's cowardice, bro.
Look up on your way.
It's cowardice, bro.
I mean,
Plain and simple, just
call it
cowardice.
what you want, man. I gotta go home at the end of the day. You guys were recording me
Coming in
earlier. I
hot.
didn't give you no issues.
We haven't even said nothing to you. We were cordial. We were
I
quiet.
just said give me a little bit of distance. That's it.
And I give you some distance. How much?
No, yeah, and I can appreciate it. But you remember me telling you, like, I'd just rather you not be next to the car?
You want me on that side of there?
Yeah, like,
I'm over here.
like over there by that tree. I'll even get in your view so you can continue recording. Just give me a little bit of distance, all right?
Just do your job. Look, you got backup now, okay? Go ahead. Jeez, bro. Damn. You call in backup and they have to come in hot, risking people's lives because you're afraid of a camera. Unbelievable. Risking you guys, risking the people.
No, it's okay that it's okay that they're recording. It's three of them. There's one of me. What's up? No, I haven't even been able to jump right now.
Fucking coward, man. This is real, for real. You guys smash that thumbs up if you can. This guy's a coward.
I don't know what you're used to, man. No, I'm saying I don't know what you're used to, but you don't jump out like abruptly, like you almost kicked. I felt like you was kicking from the really high. You gonna come out shooting? Yeah. So. I would hope. All the people. You got any weapons inside the car? No, sir. You got a driver's license? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it all inside the vehicle? Oh, okay. Yeah, oh, yeah. Registration. I'm in sure it's wagon. Yeah, that's basically what I was getting.
That's the High Desert Community truck. Check out this dude's truck, guys. Check out this guy's truck. The cop is afraid of the guy in his truck.
Yeah, that's one thing you're not. That's one thing. You're not going to get away. No one's going to get away.
Alright, just do it against the car.
Another one. Look at that. Unbelievable.
Too many families, there's too many eyes, there's too many ears, there's too many everything. I'm missing my girlfriend. Phyllis Bird is missing. So I'm looking for my girl. What's your girl?
Does that cop have any stripes on it? Just pulled up. Where they threw the rock to the window?
Yeah.
Even another one.
Jesus.
You feel safe now? Really? You had to call all this for cameras?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What's up, Morales? You're not a coward like this guy, are you? Can one of you guys give this guy a hug? What's up, Mr. Three Chevrons? Can you give this guy a hug? He called you guys out here because of cameras. Everybody came swooping in fast, risking the people, because this guy's a coward right here. I'm gonna call it how it is, man. I treat you guys right, but he wants to act like a coward. We're gonna call it out. What's your name and badge number, man?
Sergeant Chan, 3854.
3854. I appreciate that, Chen. We got 3 men here that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here for backup. We can all some those guys can give him a hug at the end of the day. Huh? I can count?
I don't know what it costs. Well, all you know is just
You don't need to count high to be a cop, I'll tell you that much. One, two, three, four. 4 or 5 police vehicles. 6?
This guy came walking in front of me over there.
Unbelievable.
Thanks to you guys, man.
Fuck yeah, brother.
Of course, man.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
What'd you say, Fred?
Hell yeah, bro. You're welcome, bro. Yeah, hell yeah, for sure. Hell yeah. Hey, did he draw? Hey, did he draw his gun on you?
He did. Yeah,
He did?
I've been on this afternoon.
Oh shit.
Hey, Glasses, what's your badge number and name? I don't see your name tag on your uniform. Hey, Goggles.
Older gentleman right here. Older gentleman without stripes.
Identify himself. Beta Chan.
Oh shit, your backup's leaving, coward.
Morales, what's your badge number?
4480.
4480. I'm glad you can count.
Appreciate you.
Homie.
Joke.
Hey, it was a horrible joke, but you wanted to throw shade my
when
way.
you say it though, because I'm reciting my badge number. I'm not counting. So it's a pretty bad delivery, man.
Well, you know what? Hey, you know what's a bad delivery? When cops swear that oath, you guys don't even know it. You guys are just regurgitating something that's being read to you. I bet none of you guys can repeat the First Amendment right here. Neither one. Prove me wrong. Older gentleman without a name tag. You want to identify? No? Hey guys, look, we got a deaf police officer working for San Jose. He's deaf. Hard of hearing. Are you the one that drove in all hot? This one came walking around the corner. Hey, you want me to walk you back for officer safety? Hey, what's your name and badge number? I saw you earlier over there, didn't I?
Yeah.
So you already seen that we had cameras, and you already know that we weren't a threat. You already made a threat assessment when we were over there, but now you want to act like this when you're right here. You know why?
No.
Because you were trying to assert some authority that you don't have. That's called presumed authority, and it turns into unbridled power. We don't check your ass.
Okay.
Get to work. You're dismissed. You're dismissed.
Sir.
You like that?
Have a good day.
You like that? Call me patron. I'm your boss. You can get back to work too. You are dismissed as well.
Take care. God bless
Yeah.
you, sir.
How
Hope you
far?
have a wonderful
How
day.
high can you count?
I hope you have a wonderful day, sir.
I am. I already have a wonderful day.
Take it easy, Morales.
Pussy. Pussy.
People believe they know their rights. I will assure you that no one knows their rights unless they went to law school.
Here they come.